If you want your Shopify store to look modern and dynamic, adding an animated background can make your pages more visually engaging. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. Navigate to the page or section where you want the animated background to appear, such as the home page, header, or a custom section. If your theme has a background option, you can upload an animated GIF, short video, or select built-in animation effects. Adjust settings like position, loop, and playback speed to ensure it displays smoothly without affecting page performance. Save your changes and preview the store to confirm the animation works correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. After saving, your Shopify store will feature an animated background for a more dynamic look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.